Now, to understand the details of the acid and base and to familiar with how do I identify whether a given substance is acid or a base, we have indicators. Yes, and these indicators are known as acid-bases indicators. So, what these indicators do? They actually detect whether a given substance is acid or a given substance is a base, right? So, there are many substances which show one color or odor in the acidic medium and a different color or odor in the basic medium. So, such substances which show different characteristics in acidic and basic medium, they definitely can be called as indicators, and better term is acid bases indicators, right. So, let us look at the examples of acid bases indicators. So, there are indicators which are naturally occurring. As you can see here in the picture, we have litmus, turmeric. What is turmeric? Haldi. Then China rose. Not only that, we have more list of natural indicators. But what are natural indicators? As the name suggests, they are naturally occurring, right? We don't make them. They are naturally occurring. Litmus solution is extracted from lichen plant, and then we have olfactory indicators. What is the meaning of olfactory? Olfactory means smell. So, there are indicators that actually change their smell in different media. Yes. So, what are the olfactory indicators which change their smell in different mediums? So, onion, vanilla, petunia flower, clove. What is clove? Clove is long in Hindi. Onion, vanilla, petunia flower and clove. Then there is red cabbage. What does red cabbage do? It changes its colors in different medium. Then we have turmeric. Turmeric is reddish brown color in basic medium. So, see, turmeric is usually yellow in color, but it changes its color to reddish brown in basic medium and it remains yellow in acidic medium. So, these natural indicators, they actually help us to understand whether a given substance is acidic or basic. Not only that, we can also use them to identify whether a given substance has changed its property or not, because during summers there could be milk that has actually converted to curd, right, or maybe it has become spoilt milk. So, we can identify the acidic property of the milk by using the indicators, right. So, there are more indicators we have. There are synthetic indicators. What are synthetic indicators? The indicators that are man-made. So, we make them for our laboratory purposes. So, synthetic indicators are the compounds which are manufactured in the industry or prepared in the laboratory, right. So, we prepare them in our laboratory. So, what are those two indicators? Basically, they are phenolphthalein and methyl orange. So, what about phenolphthalein first? Let's understand what does phenolphthalein do. Phenolphthalein in neutral solution or usually it is colorless, right. But when you keep it in basic medium, it turns into pink. Yes, it changes its color to pink in basic medium, but it remains colorless in acidic medium, right. Means in phenolphthalein, it is usually colorless solution. There is no change in acidic medium, but as soon as you put few drops of phenolphthalein solution in the basic solution, turns pink in color. So, it is a really good indicator that a given substance is basic or not. Now, what about methyl orange? Methyl orange, we usually call it acid indicator. The way phenolphthalein is a basic indicator because it is able to detect bases, methyl orange we usually call it an acidic indicator because in usually its color is orange and in acidic medium it turns red in color. Yes, deep red in color, while in the basic solution it remains yellow. Yellowish orange color is there in the basic medium, but in acidic medium it shows a beautiful red coloration. So, isn't these indicators important? Yes, they are important to detect whether a given substance is acidic or basic.